Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Mr. Bond. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. We're so happy to be with you today.
Yes, and today's episode is super useful because we're talking about something we all do every day, our daily routine.
That's right. And to help us learn, we have a story from a new friend, Kevin, a software engineer who works from home.
Before we dive in, please remember to like the video, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
Your support helps our channel a lot. Thank you.
Okay, let's begin. Here is Kevin's story. Listen carefully.
Hi, everyone. My name's Kevin, and I'm a software engineer. Today, I want to tell you about my daily routine. I usually wake up at around 7 in the morning. The first thing I do is check my phone to see the time and read a few messages. Then I get out of bed and go straight to the bathroom to wash my face and take a shower. After my shower, I brush my teeth and get dressed. Since I work from home, I usually wear a comfortable t-shirt and jeans. Then I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I usually eat toast with eggs and drink a cup of black coffee. While I'm eating, I sometimes watch the news on YouTube. At 8:30, I turn on my computer and start working. The first thing I do is check my email and messages from my team. Then, we have a short video meeting called a daily stand-up. We talk about our tasks for the day and if we have any problems. After the meeting, I spend most of the morning writing code and fixing bugs. I usually listen to music while I work. Around noon, I take a lunch break. I normally eat something quick like a sandwich or leftovers from the day before. Then, I go for a short walk outside to get some fresh air. In the afternoon, I keep working on my projects. Sometimes I review code from my teammates or write documentation. I also have 1 or 2 meetings with the product team or designers. I try to finish work by 5:30. After work, I like to relax. I play video games or watch something on Netflix. On some days, I go to the gym or take an online course to learn something new. Around 7, I make dinner. I enjoy cooking simple meals like pasta or rice with vegetables. In the evening, I usually read a book or chat with friends online. Before going to bed, I brush my teeth again and set my alarm. I usually go to sleep around 11. That's my typical day as a software engineer. Wow, what a clear and full routine. Let's break it down step by step.
Right. Kevin starts with, I usually wake up at around 7. The word usually means most days, but not always.
Then he says, the first thing I do is check my phone. First thing, the very first action.
Then he says, he gets out of bed and goes straight to the bathroom. Go straight to means no stopping, directly.
In the bathroom, he washes my face and takes a shower. Remember, we say take a shower, not do a shower.
Then he brushes his teeth and gets dressed. Since he works from home, he wears a comfortable t-shirt and jeans.
After that, he makes breakfast, toast with eggs and black coffee. While eating, he sometimes watches the news.
At 8:30, he turns on his computer and starts work. He checks email, then joins a daily stand-up, a short team meeting.
Then he writes code and fixes bugs. Fixes problems in the program.
At noon, he takes a lunch break, eats something quick, then goes for a walk to get fresh air.
In the afternoon, he continues working, reviewing code, writing documentation, and joining meetings.
He finishes work by 5:30, then relaxes, playing games or watching Netflix.
Some days he goes to the gym or takes an online course.
At 7, he makes dinner, then later he reads a book or chats with friends online.
Finally, he brushes his teeth, sets his alarm, and goes to sleep at around 11 p.m. You know, Tom, something I really liked about Kevin's routine is how balanced it is. He mixes work, rest, learning, and relaxing. Many English learners can copy that idea. Yes, and did you notice how consistent he is? Even though he works from home, he still follows a schedule. And he uses helpful words like usually, normally, sometimes, and around.
True. And maybe our listeners can think about their own routine. For example,
Period.
what time do you usually wake up?
Period. Period.
Do you check your phone first thing?
Period. Period.
What do you normally eat for breakfast?
Period. Here's an easy structure for learners. Your routine has 3 parts: morning, afternoon, evening. Just one sentence for each is already great practice.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. In the morning, I wake up and make breakfast. In the afternoon, I work or study. In the evening, I relax and go to bed around 10 p.m. Easy, right?
Very easy. And this helps build confidence. Simple sentences are perfect.
And guess what? Boring routines are amazing for English practice because they use everyday verbs like wake up, get dressed, make breakfast, start work, relax, go to sleep.
Exactly. And here's another great learning tip. Record your own daily routine using your phone. A short 1-minute voice recording. Then listen to it again next week to see your improvement.
Yes. And don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. What matters is practice and consistency.
And Kevin's routine reminds us that you can always learn something new, even if you're busy.
Exactly. Even 10 minutes of English a day can really help.
Now the story should be even clearer. We hope you learned a lot today.
Yes. Thank you for joining us here on English with Mr. Bond. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson.
And tell us in the comments, what is one thing you usually do in your daily routine?
We love reading your answers.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye. Keep practicing.